here we are about to attempt Holcomb Creek with a sketchy four-wheel drive system. So hopefully it will work. Keep coming. Come on. Did the rear kick out? The rear's not moving. Oh! All right, straighten out. Keep coming, right there. Oh, just stay in it. Stay in it. There you go. You're good. Hold on a minute. Well, so far it's a little less successful than I was hoping. This incline is just loose enough and a little long enough that keeps kicking out the four-wheel drive. So I'm going to see if we can get up it. Hopefully we don't have too many more issues. This is also why you never wheel alone. If we had someone in front of us, we could just easily have been pulled up this and have been fine. Almost had it. Get in and go and stay. Nope. Little more. Right there. Go. No. So unfortunately, I didn't realize I forgot to do an outro until after we got home. So we did give up on the trail after that hill, got turned around and went back out. Upon further review, the rear wheels were just never engaged. It was front wheel drive the whole time, even when the flag was not active. So that did not help us at all. If I would have had rear wheel for any of that, I don't think it would have been a problem. I do want to give a couple shout outs to some awesome people. To whoever was behind us at the McDonald's in Black Bear, thank you for saying hi through the lady at the window. That was really cool. Made us smile. It just made our night. And also I wanted to say thank you to the AMC Jeep guy for checking in on us after that really terrible rainstorm to make sure that we didn't get trapped on the trail. We actually got off right before all that rain came through. We got into town and got dumped on. So the Jeep is currently at the dealership right now, waiting its turn. Apparently they have some manpower issues, so it will have the PT replaced once they finally get around to it. And I have finally started a Patreon page. So if anyone would like to contribute to that to help keep this channel going, the link will be in the description below.
Oh God, can we go with you?
I'm hoping to get out a couple times this fall with the Cherokee to generate a little more content, but until then I still have a couple backlogged Gladiator videos that I need to go through in the meantime. As always, keep an eye out for more info. Until next time guys, keep on jeeping.